Right, it looks like that at the Election Commission there is heightened activity because Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi Chief Minister Atishi and other senior leaders are presently at the Election Commission. Look at that, these are the visuals coming in. They want to meet the CEC Rajiv Kumar. What is the reason? You must have seen by now how voter list has become the big showdown. The Aam Aadmi Party is alleging there are deliberate names that have been deleted, and then that there are fake voters that are going to be added, and they're alleging BJP is doing all of this. Then on the other side, it is the BJP that has also alleged that Aam Aadmi Party is getting, so to say, minority voters added, even fake voters, so that they can win elections. So right now, even though the CEC has consistently denied, remember on the day of the press conference for the dates announced, he did say that these are false narratives. There's a full procedure. Form 7 has to be submitted. It cannot just happen on its own. And let's go across to Amit Bhardwaj on the ground as well. Amit, take us through the reasons that you think that the Aam Aadmi Party leadership is presently at the Election Commission.
Pooja, the senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, including the party chief Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi Chief Minister Atishi, Sanjay Singh, these leaders are inside the Election Commission of India. They're expected to meet CEC Rajiv Kumar. And before this particular meeting, there have been 2 letters that were shot by Atishi to CEC Rajiv Kumar seeking an urgent meeting over Delhi elections. And, the key points which have become the rallying point for the Aam Aadmi Party in the national capital polls. Number 1 is their concern over deletion of names from the electoral roll. They believe that it is the applications which have been submitted to the Election Commission for deletion of these names are primarily the Aam Aadmi Party sympathizers, Aam Aadmi Party voters. Number 2, they also are concerned about rather, have doubts over the names which are being added, the applications for which additions are pending in the Election Commission of India. So these are 2 very key points related to the electoral rolls of the national capital. And the fear is also coming from Maharashtra, the kind of experiences that in particular NCP Sharad Pawar faction had shared with Arvind Kejriwal back in the day during the winter session meeting. Now, second point is that the delegation could also, raise a point accusing Parvez Verma of the Bharatiya Janata Party running a job fair in the national capital when the model code of conduct is already in the place. Third point is that they want the officials of the Election Commission to work, especially the ground zero officials, the people who handle the affairs at the very basic level to ensure the fairness of this particular mechanism.
Fairness of Delhi elections. And is there any protocol that is being broken? Amit, stay on with me and I'll come back to you in just a short while because CEC Rajiv Kumar had spoken about this when this question was put to him. And also, why is the Aam Aadmi Party so angry and reaching out to the Election Commission, writing to them? What did Atishi say about it? Let's listen into these reactions.
नई दिल्ली विधानसभा में एक बहुत बड़े स्तर पर एक वोटर स्कैम देश के सामने आया है। मैं आपको कुछ आंकड़े बताना चाहूंगी कि किस तरह से वोटों का एक बहुत बड़ा घोटाला नई दिल्ली विधानसभा में हो रहा है। देश भर में जैसे हम जानते हैं हर साल एक समरी रिवीजन होता है, एक इलेक्टोरल रोल बनता है। ये लोग समरी रिवीजन के समय कहां थे? अगर 29 नवंबर तक पूरी इलेक्शन मशीनरी एक एक गली एक एक मोहल्ले में जा रही थी तो 29 नवंबर और 15 दिसंबर के बीच में ये 10,000 लोग कहां से आ गए? इससे ये साफ है कि गलत तरीके से वोटर जोड़ने की साजिश हो रही है।
और दूसरी बात, अगर किसी वजह से मान लिया 1% हो गया तो जब आज 5 जनवरी से लेके अक्टूबर तक का टाइम है उसके बीच में फॉर्म्स क्यों नहीं भरे जाते कि ये डिलीट कर दिया जाए या इसको नया जोड़ दिया जाए? ओनली एट द टाइम ऑफ इलेक्शंस व्हेन इट इज हैपनिंग इन दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टेट दीज काइंड ऑफ इश्यूज आर रेज्ड. दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली इम्पॉसिबल. किसी बीएलओ के द्वारा अगर कोई भी 1-2 नाम इधर उधर हो गया उसको करेक्ट करने के सफिशिएंट मौके हैं और अगर ऐसी सूचना कोई हमारे सामने आती है तो विल टेक